Before we start, subscribe to my channel, The Magnet Code, because most men are walking around severely underestimating themselves. And that mistake is costing them opportunities, women, confidence, everything. And by the end of this video, you're going to see yourself differently. Let's get into it. Most men have no idea how attractive they actually are. Not because they aren't attractive, but because nobody ever taught them how to recognize attraction signals. Women? They analyze everything. The eye contact, the tone, the micro expressions, the way he said, okay, the way he stood, the way he blinked. Men? We're just standing there like, was she being nice? Or does she like me? Or is she just Canadian? We guess, we overthink, we assume disinterest, and we miss signals happening in real time. So today I'm fixing that. I'm giving you 8 unmistakable signs that you're a highly attractive man, and some of these have nothing to do with your looks. If 3 or more apply to you, you're not average. You've just been unaware. Let's wake that up. Sign 1. She holds eye contact just a little too long. This one is subtle, dangerously subtle. You're talking, casual conversation, and she holds eye contact. 1 beat longer than necessary. Not staring, not intense, just lingering, like she's buffering, like her brain went, wait, I like this. Most men miss this because they're too busy thinking, what do I say next? Did I blink weird? Is my breath okay? Meanwhile, she's studying your eyes like she's reading subtitles. Here's something even stronger. Group setting. Everyone laughs. Where do her eyes go? If they go to you. That's not random. Humans look at the person they feel most connected to during shared emotion. If she laughs and checks your reaction, congratulations. Her nervous system picked you. That's attraction happening automatically. Start watching for it. You'll realize this has been happening for years. Sign 2. People open up to you way too fast. You meet someone. 10 minutes later, they're telling you about their childhood trauma, their toxic ex, their job they secretly hate. And you're standing there thinking, sir, we just met. This is not random. This means you feel safe. And safety is rare. You probably don't even notice you do this. You're calm. You're grounded. You're not trying to impress. You're not judging. And people subconsciously feel that. Attraction isn't just about excitement. It's about emotional safety, especially for women. A woman can feel when a man is solid, when he won't overreact, when he won't crumble, when he won't judge. That energy is magnetic. If people consistently open up to you fast, you have presence. And presence beats looks every time. Sign 3. You've been called intimidating. Let me translate that for you. When a woman says, you're kind of intimidating, what she often means is, you affect me, and I don't feel fully in control of that. You're not loud. You're not aggressive. You're not trying to dominate. You're just solid. You don't overtalk. You don't oversell. You don't overshare. You're comfortable in silence. And that's rare. Most people are slightly anxious all the time. When they meet someone calm and self-contained, it throws them off. You become a mirror. And not everyone likes mirrors. If you've heard this more than once, that's not a flaw. That's power. Sign 4. She does small things for you without being asked. This one is huge. She brings you coffee. She saves you a seat. She remembers a tiny detail from 3 weeks ago. She sends you something that reminded her of you. And you're thinking, she's just nice. No. Indifference looks polite. Attraction looks invested. Women do not randomly invest energy in men they feel neutral about. Energy is currency. If she's spending it on you, she sees value. Small actions are louder than compliments. Watch behavior. Behavior never lies. Sign 5. You don't feel the need to prove yourself. This one separates boys from men. Group conversation. Someone starts flexing. Salary, car, vacation, business idea. Other guys subtly compete. You don't. Not because you have nothing, but because you don't need approval. And that quiet self-containment is extremely attractive. The most magnetic man in the room is usually the calmest one, the one who doesn't chase attention, the one who lets people discover him slowly. Women can feel the difference instantly between a man who wants validation and a man who already validated himself. If you don't feel that urge to prove, you're operating at a higher level than you think. Now let's zoom out. Attraction is not a checklist. It's not just height, not just jawline, not just money, not just status. It's energy. It's how people feel around you. It's subtle signals happening below language. And most of it, you've been ignoring. If 3 or more of these signs apply to you, recalibrate your self-image. Not with ego, with accuracy. Because the most dangerous thing a high-value man can do is walk through life believing he's average. That belief makes you settle, lower standards, shrink your ambition, accept less than you deserve, and you were never average. You were just unaware. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to the Magnet Code. This channel isn't about hype, it's about clarity. And clarity changes how you move. Drop a comment. Which sign hit you the hardest? And be honest, I read every comment. I'll see you in the next video.